In this video, I will show you how you can increase the speaker sound to the maximum on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just grab your Samsung phone and check the speakers of your Samsung phone. If you find any dust or debris stuck in the speakers of your Samsung phone, then just grab a soft brush and clean the speakers of your Samsung phone. After that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. From here, just tap on Volume. Now on this page, just make sure you increase all the sliders to the maximum. Just like that. And after you've done that, then just go back. And under the Sounds and Vibration section, just scroll down and tap on Sound Quality and Effects. From here, just enable the toggle for Dolby Atmos. After that, just tap on Equalizer. Now instead of Balanced, just select any other option. Now just select each option and check which one you prefer. You have the option for Bass Boost, Dynamic, Treble Boost, Clear, Smooth, and Custom. Now just select the one which you prefer. Now after you do that, then just go back to the Sounds and Vibration settings, and from here just tap on Adapt Sound. And just select Allow, then enable this toggle. Now from here just select the range of your age. Now if you're under 30, just select under 30. And if your age is between 30 to 60, you can select this option. And if you're over 60 years old, you can select this option. But if you want a more personalized option, then just tap on the plus icon over here. And from here, you can start a hearing test. Now what this feature basically does is that it adjusts the sound of the speakers based on your age and your hearing ability. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page. And from here, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Hearing Enhancements, and from here, just scroll down and check if mono audio is enabled or not. If this option is enabled, just turn it off. After that, just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now from here, just check the slider for phone speakers. Now if this slider is either on the right side or on the left side, you will face volume issues on your Samsung phone. Now to fix this issue, just make sure you centralize this slider. Now after you centralize this slider, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your Samsung phone. To do that, just open the control center, then tap on the power icon. And from here, just select Restart. And after the restart process is completed, then just check the sounds of the speaker of your Samsung phone and check if they're adjusted to your liking or not. Now if you're still finding issues with the sound of the speakers, then the last thing you can do is just go back to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone. Now by updating the software of your Samsung phone, you will fix any software glitch which might be causing this issue. But if you've done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.